Hello, damn good to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Remos Professional Body Care Cuticle Clippers. This is an extended version of this product because there is a handle built onto the cuticle clippers. In the Momento, Remos only sells it without this special additional grip, of course. But if you have a problem with your skin at your fingers or on your foot or something else, such like a little scratch or something else, and there is a big bunch of skin is looking out, and of course this is dead skin. And if you use your fingers to get this out of the location of your fingers, for example, then it's a problem. But if you use such an Remos cuticle pluckers here, it's no problem. It's so easy to remove this dead skin from your body with that device here. We have here a perfect cat possibility, okay? The Remos cuticle plupper is 6.5 centimeters. Thanks to the sharp cutting edges, the Remos cuticle clippers ensure a cut with millimeter precision, and it is inexpensive. The clipper is made of high-quality hardened steel and has a nickel-plated surface. And it's, of course, on-the-go designed. The Remos cuticle clippers is either for on-the-go and can be attached to any keychain, for example. The length is 6.5 centimeters. These are 2.5 inches. And the cuticle clippers with hardened edges for an exact and smooth cut is easy to operate, as you can see. You can see it's really easy to use this device to remove the dead skin from your fingers, for example. And this is a perfect cut possibility. So you can form it as you like. You can make a little cut or a big cut, or you go from one to the other side and cut it like you need it. This is a precision and a perfect cut experience with the Remos cuticle clippers. These clippers are perfect for removing the cuticle, and this is a layer of clear skin located along the bottom edge of our fingers or toes, which is called the nail bed. The cuticle protects new nails from bacteria when they grow out from their nail root. And if there is a lot of space or a lot of them, of the cuticle, you can remove this by such pliers there, and it is easy. You can make the setup on the go by a lever function, and then you can make the job easy peasy to remove cuticle, which is not necessary on your fingers or toes. It's good to remove hangnails too, as you see in that video here, because I have a lot of hangnails there for you, and it makes a good job because it's easy, okay? A hangnail is a small turned piece of skin next to a fingernail, or of course on a toenail, related to ingrown nails. Hangnails are typically caused by having dry skin or a trauma to the fingers. You see the trauma. I was working a lot off in my garage on the cars, and this is a lot of trauma for my fingers. And because of this, there comes often the hangnails, and this pliers here will help to remove them easy peasy, as you can see. This is a precision cut possibility. It cuts easy and fast. Easy peasy, baby. Unlike conventional punchers, Cuticle clippers have a pointed straight cutting edge that is either for cutting cuticles and freeing ingrown nails too. It is hair sharp. The very sharp cutting edges of the cuticle clippers ensures an exact and precise cut of the cuticle. Unwanted skin can be easily and carefully removed with the sharpened cutting edges. And cutting thin, ingrown nails is also made easier with the Remos pine trigger. The shape of the cutting edges allows precise access to the cutting of the nail or skin. The handy cuticle tweezers fits in the most manicure sets or toilet bags. It can easily be attached to a keychain and is therefore either for one to go. For many people, the perfect manicure also included cutting the cuticles. Specializing protruding skin around the nails can be annoying or unsightly and can even tear, which can cause inflammations. Cuticles should preferably be cut after bathing or showering, as the skin is soft and easy to cut, of course. Always act careful when working in the nail bed to avoid injuries. With this Remos precision clippers, even ingrown nails can be easily and precisely reached and cut free. A third bath is also recommended here to soften the nail and the cuticles. The Remos skin pinchers is made of high quality hardened steel. It can be disinfected and it is very, of course, durable, as you can see. This is the Remos device for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun!